there. How are you?
Hello. I'm fine. What about you?
I'm also fine. I am seeing something familiar on your screen. So, what are we discussing today?
Yeah, I think we are discussing about Earth, places on Earth rather.
Oh,
You should be seeing very familiar place. I am actually not spying on you right now, but this is where you are currently are right now in Bangalore, right?
uh, yep. I am here. Yep.
But let's go to your hometown, Surat.
Okay.
Okay, so currently monsoon is going on, right? And a lot of rain and lot of water logging videos you must have seen in the Surat city.
Yep.
You have seen it, right?
Yes. A lot. A
Yeah.
lot. Yep.
So the drainage architecture, the drainage part and water logging part in Surat is lacking a lot. Have you noticed that?
Okay. Yeah. Like I have been like my born and brought up in Surat, so I am pretty much aware about the situation. What is there?
How much rain is there in some of the areas? Uh, what are your take on this water logging? You must have seen some videos about so much water being in the roads because of a system that uh, we are going to talk about. What's your take on the water logging problem in Surat?
Yeah. Uh, See, uh, I am like born and brought up in Surat, and
Yeah.
from there, I can only say that yeah, there is like there exists a lot of issues with the drainage system in the Surat that we can say because I currently shifted to my new house in Surat, right? But when I was living in my old house at that location, the drainage system was like trash because we were having water loss in like uh, in several frequent days, like every 2 to 1 month, we are facing issues.
Yeah. So recent water logging happened because of how the drainage system of Surat is. First of all, the potholes and on roads and so much like that. And second thing, this uh, you are seeing this. It was full of water. It cannot go into the sea, and because of that, some of the water logging stayed in the city itself. It cannot water cannot go anywhere, right? So that was a very bad disaster for Surat, right? So it happened because of this. And now how government can solve this? It needs to improve its drainage system, the drainage system of whole city, how drainage structure and water waste management is done, right? There are so many
Yeah,
factors like that. So in the 2022, when government launched uh, IIT Bombay actually launched a mapathon where people can
yeah,
solve problems or identify problems in their local areas or anywhere in the India by using ISRO's satellites data, right? And
yep,
make a map. It was a mapathon, so making a map that will help government to solve a problem or suggest some solutions with that, right? So in that mapathon, I participated and I made this map, as you can see on the screen, right? This is
yeah.
a road
I can see
quality
that.
and drainage map for Surat. So let's get a bit of introduction before we get into the map. So Surat city is located in western part of India in state of Gujarat. It is one of the most dynamic city of India with one of the fastest growth rate due to immigration from various parts of Gujarat and other states of India too. Right? So many people come from outside of Gujarat also, as you might be obviously knowing. Coming to
Yeah.
road quality. Road quality in Surat is very important part because of water logging in roads slash urban areas of city. Yes, water logging, water quality has to be, road quality has to be good because of that, because so many people are coming, and because of
Yep.
bad water quality leads to drainage development in city, right? There should be a proper drainage system that leads the water out or settle the water, right? So
Yep.
many
Yep.
pin drainage areas in Surat are railway station underground, Amroli, Punagam, and Indoli. These are the top of drainage areas where water logging is a lot. This is about 2022 here, right? When I researched this, it is of year 2022. These areas are very water, very filled with water. Their water channel is very not managed properly, and drainage system is not good there, right? So whenever a high
Yep.
rain comes, you can see in a very short interval of time, so much water flows under high flood condition in Tapi River. So this blue line you are seeing around the Surat label is Tapi River. It passes above the city itself. This river you are seeing is Tapi, this river,
Yep.
and it goes into
Yeah. Yeah.
sea, right?
Okay. So that's the main point.
Yeah. So that's why you are seeing those. So now coming to the map, you can see these blue lines representing some different rivers and canals and small water areas like lakes and stuff like that, right? And black lines you are seeing are for district roads and taluka, like that, block villages, like that, right?
Okay.
And the other map I made was about road network, and again drainage map and road quality obviously. So the four parts that we just discussed for major areas where water logging is on very top of level are railway station. So the railway station would be here, right? This area you are
Exactly.
seeing, that would be railway station. There water
Okay.
logging happens a lot. Actually, if I zoom in into this, you might actually see uh, ex- exact location of the drainage area in Surat. Let me open real
Yeah.
quick.
Where does you see these kind of maps you made?
Yeah, what?
It is very interesting. See the maps that you have created.
Yeah, because that's the whole point of mapathon, right? You are seeing this blue dot here. That's the railway station,
Yeah. Yeah.
where one of the water logging problem is there. As you can see, drainage layer 1 is there. Then there is Amroli area, then is Punagam and Dindori. So these areas are very affected by water logging. So there is a bit of introduction and information about road quality and road network of Surat, right? Uh, you can see in Surat city some critical location, these four locations I told, where flooding occurs during monsoon season, right?
Yeah.
So let's see what layers I have used to map this map. Is although they are already listed here, you can see Indian boundary. You can see this part here, that is Indian boundary. Then you can see urban Surat urban layer, which is the road parts, as all the roads you are seeing, and Surat city boundary. On top of this whole boundary you are seeing, this one, this one, and this one is that layer. So let's see
Yep.
actual layers, right? So I am today talking about this QGIS software. Have you heard about this QGIS software before?
But never. It is like the first time you are saying it to me, and I didn't also heard the name of the software.
Yeah. So QGIS is a GIS software, which is GIS, right? Geographic Information System, which helps to solve such problems, right? For government or any to make any statistics, it helps that. It is a tool. So to make GIS, this QGIS have built a software for allowing such layers to make map according to your problem and solution. Right. Currently, I have used ISRO's data, which is I need to again import WTMS and WFS data from ISRO. This one, WMS and
Okay.
WMTS data. You can see Surat drainage. So it will import the Surat drainage part to the layer, and I can adjust those layers, right?
Okay.
So all
It's
the layers are available.
looks
You can see.
interesting.
Yeah. So let's go to Gujarat. So it would be GJ. Its code would be GJ, and for Surat it would be SU. So as you can see, the first start from here. The first layer, GJ, Surat admin boundary, right? So that would
Admin.
be a Surat's boundary, right? And agriculture,
Yep.
then built up rural, built up urban, canal line, canal poly, city town, drainage land, drainage, and all those rail and useful tools and layers are there. And the beauty about this are this all this data is coming from ISRO. As you can see, Bhuvan, NRC, this link you are seeing. Yeah, right. So they are open sourcely
Yep. Yep. I can see
giving
that.
all the area, all the data rather, to use. Wait a minute. I think I opened the wrong one. Instead of one platform, I can show you. Yeah, can you see this?
Yep. I can see.
Yeah. So this is ISRO Bhuvan platform where you get all the data about map, but especially from the ISRO's satellites, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
Rather, other data are already available in the NASA and all stuff like that. But this is for the from the ISRO's data. So I have made these maps using WMS layer, right? WMS layer will work like just a link. Do you know CDN?
Yep. I am aware about the CDM links.